The idea of having the history that led to here and just the legacy of the people that have worked on this for 20 years and just their brilliant leadership and their collaboration. And then to see people today come together with our student voices and our teachers tell the story of even just the details of the boxes and moving into the space and just the delight that you saw on people's faces today. I just talked to a family that just came back to see this. They don't even have kids here, but they were so excited to see the place. And it's just an exciting moment for us here at Mason.
We moved here, our son started 10th grade here and did 10th and 11th, and then was the first senior class at the new high school, and then had 2 more kids come through. Her kid and my youngest were here together.
Oh, that's fantastic.
And anyway, it's been very cool looking at all the classes, and I could just feel being energized in some of these classes that had the orange colors with the green colors, and everything just looks so nice and fresh.
Bright. It's bright.
I'll tell you what makes it different is just the brightness of the space, the constant reminders of all these great just sayings. Own the moment, build meaningful relationships. It's catching fire. And you hear the kids using it, you hear the staff using it, and it's spirit. It's comic culture and it's spirit, and you can just feel it in this refreshing new space.
I definitely like the library a lot because of the flexible seating and how there's so many books, and especially the maker space next to it. There are Legos, there are games, so people who want to work on school projects can work there. And the library is actually open from Monday to Thursday after school hours, so people can work there. So one of the main things that we got to do when we did our cafeteria completely redesigned, we added this whole entire new area that we have to eat at. And so because we did this, we can fit a lot more people into our facility to eat. So we got to take out our really early A lunch that was at 9:45 that nobody really wanted to eat at. So now that we can do that, people can have a lot more areas to eat at.
It's pretty amazing. I have to tell you, it was really cool to hear the teacher's perspective of all the time that we put in together to look at the plans and to really collaborate and come up with ideas for the areas. And even the kids, that was one thing we didn't talk about. We had students that even had input on the building, and it's awesome that when you do a renovation, you're always concerned that it's just going to look a little better than it did before, and it looks like a completely different building in lots of the parts. So I love that from our teachers and for the kids to have such a new experience because it feels brand new.
The new middle school just invites comic culture. It is so exciting to see all the space around you, so uniquely designed, all this great little meeting space for students and staff and teachers to collaborate, to brainstorm, to problem solve, to just do all sorts of fun, amazing things in the middle of the hallway that are just very different from the way it used to be.
I think it's really important for us to pause and enjoy the moment. We are in such a fast-paced world, and this has been such a project that's taken great thinking, great planning, and for us to just take a second to pause, to celebrate, to enjoy just all the details that have gone into this, and to celebrate this together. So that's why I said taking a moment is important and being present in the moment to enjoy that.